Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve color grading. We'll start by exploring the intuitive color page interface, your central hub for all color work. You'll learn to navigate its powerful node-based workflow, a fundamental concept for building complex grades. Our first step will be to tackle primary color corrections, setting the foundational look for your footage. This initial phase is crucial for establishing a balanced and consistent image, ensuring a professional starting point for your creative vision. Next, we'll dive into primary corrections using the color wheels and bars. You'll learn to precisely adjust lift, gamma, and gain to control your image's exposure across shadows, midtones, and highlights. We'll also utilize the color wheels to fine-tune hue and saturation, bringing your footage to life. Crucially, you'll monitor all these changes with professional scopes like the waveform and RGB parade, ensuring your adjustments are technically accurate and visually pleasing. These tools provide objective feedback, guiding your creative decisions. Now, let's move to secondary corrections, where we can isolate and refine specific elements. You'll discover how to use qualifiers to select precise color ranges, like a specific shade of blue in the sky or a person's skin tone. Then, we'll apply power windows, which are customizable shapes, to refine and adjust particular areas of an image. This allows for highly targeted enhancements, such as brightening a face or darkening a background, giving you incredible control over your visual storytelling. Finally, we'll explore creative grading and look development. Experiment with various LUTs and film emulation techniques to instantly transform your footage's mood. You'll learn to apply stylistic grades that evoke specific emotions and atmospheres, enhancing your narrative. We'll also touch upon mastering keyframe animation for dynamic color changes over time, allowing your grade to evolve with your story. This final stage is where your artistic vision truly comes to life, adding that polished, cinematic touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.